Today I'm going to explain how does network license pool works. It's also called concurrent licensing or network licenses or floating licenses. So on the right side we see our license pool. This is where we keep our licenses. And here we see our user. We only demonstrate 3 users and only 2 licenses. Typically we're talking about thousands of users and many licenses. So user number 1 comes in the morning and grabs a license. So takes license and he has the license now. This action is called out because we took a license out of the license pool and now the user is keeping it. Second user comes in the morning and this is user number 2. He took a license. Now we have a second in and out action and our license pool is empty. When user number 3 is trying to get a license, he won't get the license anymore, he will get a denial. So there are no more licenses available and the license server can't provide the requested license. But user number 2 finished his work and returned the license to the license pool, and next time user number 3 will try to get a license, he will be able to get one, and this will be a successful out action from the license pool. When user number 3 finishes his work, he closes the software and automatically the license is returned to the license pool. So we reviewed the concept of network licenses and we explained the 3 basic actions: in, out, and deny. Thank you for listening.